I'm starting off with my foundation. I already applied my primer before turning on the camera. I start in the center of my face and buff the foundation all over with small circles. Using a thick concealer, I brighten up my under eyes. I use the heat of my fingers to blend the product out. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I set the concealer with a loose powder right away so it can't crease. Using my foundation brush, I set the rest of my face with the powder as well. I set all that down with a hydrating spray to melt all the layers together. I add an eyeshadow primer to help both my eyeshadow and my eyebrows stay longer. I went into this look with no real plan. I started off thinking I was going to do short brows today. But as you can see, I changed my mind here and draw on regular brows instead. I'm filling them in with a cream eyeliner and setting them with a black eyeshadow as usual. Brush with concealer on it to clean up the shape when I'm done. Starting off my eyeshadow with this reddish brown color, all over my lid and in the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Using a smaller blending brush, I put this beautiful black eyeshadow in my inner and outer lid. I take some time blending this lightly. I want to keep most of the color contained and the center of my lid clear for now. Back and forth between my first fluffy brush and the smaller blending brush to get the right look. I blend out the outer edges of both colors to fade nicely into my skin. I knew I had to use this bright blue, so I popped it in the middle of my lid. Once again, going back and forth between the blue and the black to get a good gradient while keeping both colors nice and bright. Brush, I popped that on top of the blue. The colors mixed together on the brush and made a pretty frosty yet bright blue, so I popped that in my inner corner. To contrast that nicely, I used a pencil brush with the black and lined my lower lash line, blending it slightly with the fluffy brush again. I lined my eyes with a black liquid liner and my upper and lower waterline with a black pencil. Mascara and falsies follow as usual. As a final detail, I added some glitter liner to my inner corner for some more sparkle. I contour around my face, under my lip, and a bit on my nose. I highlight using a fan brush for large areas, a detail brush in my fingers for tinier areas. Using liquid eyeliner, I pop on my signature heart beauty mark onto my cheekbone. To match the eyeshadow, I line my lips with a bright blue lipstick, filling them in carefully. Once that is dried, I top the lipstick with an iridescent blue-pink shift lipstick. A quick spritz of setting spray to keep everything in place, and we are good to go.